So what makes this so great for birds is that, yeah, for bird nesting material. So when you shear an alpaca, there's actually 3 cuttings. There's prime cutting, which is the real good quality, blanket quality, which they turn into yarn and all those other woven great stuff. And then there's second cutting, you can do yarn with that too, or felting. This is third cutting. This was otherwise what you would consider waste, but we get garbage bags full of it, and that would be just so wasteful because we still cut it, the animal still grows it, you still feed the animal to grow that extra fiber. So, and you can do more than nesting balls with it, but this just is kind of my level of craftiness. And what's so great about the birds is that it's hyperallergenic. It has no lanolin in it, which sheep's wool does, so that holds dust, which makes it people allergic to it almost. Alpaca fiber does not have any of that. This doesn't wrap around the legs because it's cut so short. Mama birds tend to weave their nest anyways. They don't cover it up like a rabbit. Whereas like I've never tried it on a rabbit, but I thought about it. You know, in a nesting box, you know, when they don't pull enough fur. Yeah. Just because it is water resistant. That probably would work. I feel like it would, and I want to feel what that nesting material is, you know, that fake nesting material that they do sell for rabbits that don't pull enough fur. I wonder what it feels like, because if you did, like, this is really short cuts. It's only 2 inches or less. That's why you can't weave it. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's water resistant, just not waterproof, and warm. What else is it? Oh, so I get a lot of people that are like, well, we could just brush our dog out. We get a lot of hair from that. It's completely different than that. Dog hair mats. You know, when you get it wet, that undercoat, it mats and it stays wet. This, it doesn't. It dries right up. It's fluffy. It has a crimp to it. So,
oh, there's a bird. Almost got you.
Oh,
grab it.
Grab it. Grab it. Nice catch. There you go. Yeah, grab it.
Almost got you right in the head.
It would probably knock me out.
All right, I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Bye. Last time it was snowing half the time. Actively snowing almost the whole time.
How's it going?
40.
In the color you want.
You guys
We got, we were in the one program with the brush and all that shit. And they were,
oh.
How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good.
When I did, yeah, $5, man. That's the price that we were looking for too.
Yeah, we came like 2-3 times last year. I know. Right. I sold here. Here? Look at this little old English family.
Oh, yeah, I don't want English.
Oh, they're cute though.
They are. Okay.
oh yeah.
Yeah. This is Panda. Riley, no. Riley, look.
Did you see anything you needed?
2002.
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah?
Well, hello, sir.
Hello.
So there was cheap 250,000 miles.
These are these ones.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, I like those ones.
If you've never,
Yes.
Yeah, and these are about 2 weeks